they may decide to massage the books.
Now, the current tax burden is leaning too heavily on very few shoulders. Investors in Kenya are calling on the Kenya Revenue Authority to ensure public awareness on tax obligations and have urged government to expand the tax base by bringing more informal sector players into the system, noting that the current structure overburdens a small number of taxpayers.
We need a government which has a very clear structure of tax policy, not unpredictable tax policy, whereby today the tax is up, tomorrow the tax is down. We want a regime, tax regime, which is predictable.
What we'd like, of course, is for the government to support the local companies and not especially have regulations that are not fitting for the community. So the government can look at the whole business channel and encourage even the small businesses.
Well, is it taxing the minority or the MSMEs or taxing the 7,200 people who are wealthy and untaxed? That's a question that I leave to you, but that wraps up KTN Business Prime. KTN Prime continues with Jesse Rogers.